Biologicals confuse the hell out of a lot of farmers. And honestly, that's not your fault. Some products say apply at planting, others say before emergence or after V3. Some have a 5-week shelf life. Some need refrigeration. Some don't even tell you what's in the jug. Add in your soil, your seed variety, and your weather, and you got a biological puzzle with 12 missing pieces. No wonder so many guys just stick with what they know. Here's what most people won't tell you. Biologicals are system dependent. They're not magic, they're not plug and play. They need the right conditions to actually help your crop. That's not a farmer problem, that's a product design problem. Most biologicals are made in labs, then dropped into programs that aren't built for them. We've seen it again and again. They perform great in petri dishes, not so much in North Dakota clay or Tennessee humidity. At Earnest, we design our coatings differently. We look at the whole system, your soil, your seed, your goals. And we build microbe teams that work across those variables, not just one bug for one problem. We're not saying this stuff should be easy, but it shouldn't be this complicated either. You deserve better than a guess and a good luck sticker. That's what Boots on the Ground is about, cutting through the confusion and giving you a clear picture of what actually matters. Hit subscribe. We're just getting started. It's grow time.